Question: buy and sell cryptos on 3Commas. Here I am in 3Commas. Go to your left navigation and choose Smart Trade. Once in the Smart Trade page, choose your exchange. You may have multiple exchange linked up in 3Commas. Here I am in the paper account. Choose the market. Let's say I want to trade between USDC, USDT, and NEAR. I'll choose USDT. And then on trading pair, I'll find NEAR. There's NEAR USDT. Here is the trading view chart. It has many of the indicators and features you can use on TradingView, but it is a little bit limited. On the right side, you'll see the asking price and the bidding price. Continue to scroll down and you will find these options right here: buy, sell, smart trade, smart sell, smart cover, and smart buy. Let's focus simply on buying and selling. Click onto this tab of buy and sell, and you'll see either buying NEAR or selling NEAR. Right now, I don't have any NEAR in my account. Therefore, it says I don't have it, so I cannot buy or sell any. I have those in here is how many units of NEAR I want to buy, between limit order or market order, at what price, and how much total, and the percentage. Percentage means that I have in this account 222,000 USDT. If I want to use every part of this to buy NEAR, here's 100%, and here's what is being placed at this price. I will end up having this many units of NEAR. So I will enter, let's say I just want to buy 100 unit of NEAR. I'm going to choose between limit order or market order. Market order simply means I will take whatever the market clearing price is. And you will notice that this price may alter as we talk because the market does change. If not, let's say it says 1.837 is the market price, and I want to buy just at 1.835 instead. Now it becomes a limit order, limiting the price to specifically what I put in. So I want to buy 100 unit of NEAR at the price of 1.835 USDT, and it'll tell me that total that I need is 183.5 USDT. If I want to buy it, I simply click buy. It will ask for confirmation. I say confirm, and the order has created. And as you scroll down, it'll say I have an open order, because currently the price is not at 183.5. It is sitting there waiting as a limit order. So I scroll back up. Right now, the price is right around here at 1.837. So it's not going to buy. It's going to sit there. Okay, I can initiate another buy order. Let's try now. I'm going to buy 50 units. The limit order, I'm willing to pay more at 1.84. Tells me that I need 92 USDT. I'm going to hit the buy button, ask for confirmation, confirms, and the buy trade has been created. And as you can see, the order is not showing because it's not open. It's been finished already. So here it is, 92 USDT, and I have that much purchase 150 NEAR into my account. See, right now I have 50 NEAR I can sell. That's the simple navigation of how to use buy and sell in 3Commas. For more details on the advanced feature of Smart Trade, Smart Sell, look down underneath to the description of the YouTube listing here, and I will send you a link for a full 3Commas Smart Trade tutorial.